Hey guys, today we're going to talk about top family budgeting applications. Managing family finances can be challenging, especially when you're juggling multiple expenses like groceries, bills, savings, and even expected costs. The right budgeting applications can make all the difference, helping families stay on top of their money, reduce stress, and reach financial goals together. In this video, I'm going to break down the top budgeting applications for families, highlighting their key features, differences, and which one is best for your household. Let's dive in. First one, we have EveryDollar. If you want to be intentional with EveryDollar, then EveryDollar is a fantastic option. Built around Dave Ramsey's zero-based budgeting method, this application ensures that every dollar has a job, meaning your income minus expenses always equals zero. The free version requires manual transaction entry, making it ideal for families who prefer a hands-on approach. However, the paid version of EveryDollar Plus allows bank syncing for automatic tracking and reduces the need for manual entry. It's great for families who want a structured way to plan their finances and avoid wasteful spending. Secondly, we have YNAB, which also stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB takes zero-based budgeting a step further by helping families proactively plan their finances. YNAB encourages you to allocate money before you spend it, ensuring you stay ahead of your expenses. It helps you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle by focusing on planning for upcoming bills rather than reacting to past spending. Requires manual input and adjustments, making it best for families who want to be highly engaged with their budget. But keep that in mind that it is subscription-based, but many users find that the money saved outweighs the cost. Next up, we have Goodbudget. If you prefer cash-based budgeting but want a digital solution, Goodbudget is the perfect fit. It follows the envelope budgeting method, where you divide your income into different categories or envelopes like groceries, rent, gas, and entertainment. It doesn't sync with your bank accounts, meaning you'll need to manually input transactions. It helps couples and families manage money together by sharing a budget across multiple devices. It's also great for families who prefer structured budgeting but don't want automatic tracking. Next up, we have Mint. If you want a fully automated experience, Mint is one of the best free options. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills to track spending. It categorizes transactions and gives financial insights, all in real time. It helps families monitor spending habits without needing to manually log expenses. It has bill tracking, credit score monitoring, and customizable budget category, which makes it a comprehensive financial tool. It is best for those who prefer automation over manual entry. And last but not least, we have Pocket Card. If your family is on a tight budget, Pocket Card helps you avoid overspending by calculating how much spendable money you have after accounting for bills, savings, and other expenses. It automatically syncs with your bank accounts to track income and expenses. The In My Pocket features shows how much money you have left to spend after covering essentials. It is great for identifying unused subscriptions and cutting unnecessary expenses. So, which budgeting app does your family use? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more personal finance tips, budgeting strategies, and money-saving hacks.